For 2025. We have to tell the youth them. 2025.
Don't turn no camera upon me. Hear me one.
So Peanut Dread, what you do? You ride? You ride?
The camera in the
Don't
upon you.
talk to me and turn no camera upon me, sir. Please.
Alright.
Them a got tired fi see me face. Oh yeah, but them can't get me out of the race. Peanut Dread, what you saying to me now? Welcome back. It's another Peanut Dread video.
I am driver. I am driver. I am driver. Jesus God. The man go up now rascal corner on the man make your and go round. Jesus God, the truck. Him couldn't straighten up back to rascal. And me said the truck take off of the road to rascal and take one bank in the face. And fly over the bank into rascal and turn down here down in a one trench and drop on the side. Me rascal. Me say me brethren. Me hear I saw the engine a race. Me see man run to me say, me feel my right foot hit, you know. And me dry and feel it pull and me shoot two man dash through one hole. And me dash through the two. When I run out, me say, you see few man will stand up. Me say, me know so when accident, man can't frighten. So man get up with gun and don't turn back around, boy.
Public service announcement. Like a video so you can help me grow the channel. Respect. Every 5 words, Peanut Dread have to cuss a bad word. What a man that, man. And the dog hack out his story to him, man. Jesus! R-Clot. Run it. Cause we not done it.
When me stand up and me look on the rest of man when we left, every man full of white man like China Mali with beard in a rasta, cause the chucking have been some Mali in a rasta, little in the bottom there. And it was white up. No. The windshield drop out. The driver drop through it, him and the one way in it, and him get up with gun to rascal. We hear, why? Under the truck now. Me blood clot, 3 vice we hear. Man I say me bumbo clap. Hey, one man say, wait. And look around and he said, Danny! And the man make, why? And stop. He said, me got that one that's dead now, man. Danny! Why? And stop again.
Yo, it was dramatic, your freak. Daddy! And the Rasta Akotino. Based on what Peanut Dread say, my understanding is in the pan a truck and the truck crash. And the driver cut left them and the man in front cut too. And some man stuck underneath. And a be R-Clot. As you can hear for yourself.
Me blood clot here and me hear one other day I go, why? You must stop and the one way my call name Danny now. Me say, that's a amount of vehicle will come and stop line gone so. And the man told straight chuck the pan a bank in and he turned down in the gutter. The whole of one man they can't get no space to hold the truck to lift it up and 5 man them. And then start barrow jack. And jack up the blood clot chuck in the rasta man. The body of 5 man them when they take out the man them. Oh God, none of them can stand up. I mean, I know what happened from that because we go, right? And then carry them in ambulance. And me hear say the driver gone to hospital, like him and buy them out and pay them say, they know to talk say, rare. I mean, I know nothing more. And from that me I say, you see it nothing. You know say when vehicle, because when the man go around the corner and I say, every man depend that the side there, you know man. Right? In take the other corner, every man depend that the side there now. And the truck run off of the road. And I say that experience, boy, I tell you. First me experience a truck turn over Sonny Brady man and me the dead man. Right? But glad. Because probably could have dead in the rest of. Me I must die here now. That me I tell you, my brethren. Oh, so them say, find you no word, find you no worthy, and find you innocent. Pray on your answer. Call life value. Nothing else. So find you no lost your life.
Find you no lose your life, you give thanks. Once there's life, there is hope. Boy, I sound like it bring back a little memory to Peanut Dread. I can't miss me ever see Peanut Dread and I last say 30 seconds of video. Yeah man, the boss have flashback in like flash in front time. But boy, the Dread dramatic. The Dread can go join drama school. Yeah man. The Dread can go in an acting school too. The Dread can act full of drama. Every other word is a B clad, is a R clad. Hey, Peanut Dread or something else. Moving forward.
You have to help people who you say help themselves. Yeah? You can't see people who don't possess nothing at all, and don't have a job, and don't have no saving, and don't have no value, and don't have nothing. You call them big worthless good for nothing, and don't not try. Yeah? If good in time, you don't see my try. People who you see going around possess nothing at all. If you give him nothing, give him a making one. Don't harbor him. Yeah?
Which is right. Go back to the the Butter Cat video where him have that I post as well, that he was talking about Barrel let a lot of people be lazy. And it's true. While, you know, persons overseas, you know, need to help their family back home, or should, or can, if they can help their family, they should. If you can't, you just can't. But by doing so, it does make some people lazy. It does make some people dependent. You understand? Everything they take up and call you with goddamn phone. Thank God for my people, them they don't stay the way them. So you can't, by giving and giving lazy people, it encourages them to continue to be lazy. And when sense you can't have them the people that are around you for real, like what Peanut Dread say. You have to have ambitious people around you, because if you have lazy people and non-ambitious people around you, guess what? For them dirty style and dirty attitude probably just gonna start falling upon your shoulder. And then you turn dirty and lazy and nasty and frownsy too. Anyways, moving forward.
Yeah. So that's why you see when me say anything sweet, you're going to sour your ass clot, a truth. Because when you broke it sweet, you fuck more than a woman coat and have your ass clot and drill you. Right? My God Almighty. Right? Some man around himself, you know. Some run with some blood clot. And some in a prison. Right? And when you broke it sweet, you know. The fuck are you? You don't know what they behind it. Look more than a woman coat and have you a drill you. I say you're a breadwinner, right? Anyway, money if you come from you, if you find it, right? Cause book if you buy, uniform if you buy, lunch money if you pay, tea, breakfast and dinner. Your cloth dark now, you're sorry. If you see each other where you would put you in a man, right?
Oi! Zip up your pants or roll on a condom. As much as kids are amazing, it's amazing to have kids. Don't breed nobody unless you're financially stable. Ladies, don't make no boy breed you and come in your gut unless they are financially stable and both of you guys are in a stable relationship. Now live with your mother and him living in father and him a breed you and pick me over here, so pick me up. No, brother, it's two on the supposed today and a one umbrella. Family we are dealing. We're not dealing with baby mother and baby father thing for 2025, okay? And if you don't have it, don't breed nobody. And if him don't have it, ladies, don't make him breed you. And you woman too, you don't need to sort out on thing and have on your own too. You see me I say, but yeah, family court over here, so. When I first thing my friend tell me, when me just come over here to live 10 years ago, two things. The man said, Loss, do not catch any criminal record, because if you do, that gonna mess up your life. You can't get no loan to go to college. It's hard for you to get a job. You see me I say, it's difficult when you have a record. Next thing the man say, don't breed nobody. That's 18 years. 18 years of child support. And guess what? I'm married, divorced, never breed her. She have 2 kids now. They with a woman for years, never breed her. They had a cat the other day, and she had talked about family and kids. We left. Yeah, man. Not breed nobody a friend. Crazy. Talk truth, Peanut Dread. Alright, this is our last video. This I wanna know. Jaja, watch it.
Think all papi market. These are God not one there for the blood clotting like them pum pum so say you know man.
Marcus, you have been telling a long time, man.
What I want to know is, what did Marcus Garvey tell this Rasta a long time? Because, you know what? They're going to like the video for me. They're going to share the video. Beg you leave a comment. Beg you subscribe. And you see me a beg me a beg. Now beg you no money though. Just like the video. By liking the video, you're helping the channel grow. Thanks. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. Oh, my finger mash up. That's why I hold my hand so. So tell me what going with the finger. Yeah. I can't cook. I joke, I can't cook. Anyways, respect for watch the video.